5 ways to use call to action in your infographic to increase sales and audience engagement. Creating an infographic for your class, nonprofit organization, or business is a great way to boost awareness, increase conversions, and generally entertain your audience. But while we get caught up in creating the most amazing infographic possible, we often forget one tiny yet critical detail: the call to action. The call to action is a statement of direct action that the person viewing your infographic can take to interact with you, your nonprofit, or your brand. Examples of call to action in infographics. Example number 1. If you're a nonprofit, a call to action can be something like, donate to our cause today by visiting our website or calling us at these numbers. Example number 2. If you're using your infographic as an advertisement for your services, a call to action example would be, schedule a free consultation by sending us a quick message on Facebook or via email. Example number 3. Better yet, why not advertise your business or services by giving people a taste of what you have to offer? Example number 4. A call to action doesn't just have to be a direct order to follow, like, or donate. It can be anything that gives people the tools to act on what they've learned from your infographic. Example number 5. Lastly, your infographic could be peppered throughout with call to action statements. You don't have to sound like a salesperson in your call to action statements. The takeaway here is to really get to know your audience well, so you'd be able to call their attention the best way possible. Need help in making your infographics? You can either use our free Infographic Maker tool or hire our infographic design team to make one for you.